Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your phone can report usage to a widget. Install a trusted data monitoring app that includes widgets, then grant it permission to use cellular data and background app refresh. Open Settings Cellular to confirm your current totals and note your billing cycle reset date. Once done, set the same reset inside the monitoring app so numbers match. This sync prevents surprises and makes the widget display active. You now place the widget where you'll see it instantly. Swipe right on the lock screen or home to open Today view, then tap Edit or long press and select the plus icon. Once done, search for your monitoring app. Pick the widget size that shows current usage and % of cycle used, and drag it near the top of the list so it appears in the notification panel. Make sure the widget is active and that the app runs in background so numbers update frequently. Finish by verifying live updates. Open the Data app and force refresh so the widget gets an initial value, then watch the notification panel for changes. If updates lag, make sure background app refresh and any required permissions are enabled. Some apps use a local VPN or location permission to track usage reliably. If the widget fails to display, restart your iPhone, re-add the widget, or reinstall the app. Make sure the billing cycle and reset date match between settings and the app to avoid mismatched totals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.